Hello to all students, teachers, school administrators, and parents. I'm Ray Farworth, CEO and founder of the Commons XR. Education is one of the most important things in your life. It is the tool that opens doors and the world to you. However, students are struggling with virtual learning, and in-person learning has not gotten better for engagement or bias in the classroom. Inherent bias, for instance, in which students are afraid to speak up in a classroom, whether virtual or in person, is real and impacts their ability to learn. Some would say it's gotten worse in a post-COVID world. The solution lies in the Commons XR, an educational focused software platform integrating immersion technology and educational gamification with classroom tools. VR and AR are tools in immersion technology that will help combat both issues, reducing structural bias and therefore helping on engagement in the classroom. Please explore the world of educational gamification with us and its possibilities in the classroom. We look forward to helping you move to the future of educational pedagogy.